That is one clean Golf R. Holy smokes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be one hell of a video. All right, so guys, today we're gonna reunite with an old friend. And I'll let that kind of sink in. I'll let you guys sort of guess what that means. Hope you guys are having a great day. Kind of bummed about the weather being a little wacky. I mean, we had snow yesterday and it rained, and I gave my car, funny enough, a parking lot car wash. So anyway, we're gonna head over to our meetup spot, and I'll have to show you guys probably when we get there. Well guys, I see it, and I especially hear it. And just like that, that's my old GTI. Holy smokes! God damn it. This thing is nutty. It's fast too. Alright, so we're gonna do launch control in the GTI because Rowan here has never done it before, and I don't know why the hell not. So foot on the brake. Yep, foot on the brake. And let off the brake. Keep on the throttle. You're good. That's insane. Oh my god. Yeah, so it like tries to manage the the power a little bit, so it cuts it. God, dude, the crackles. Sounds so freaking good. On the brake and the throttle. There you go. It's engaging. It's so fast. Holy smokes. That is fun. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, wow. So what would you say your future mods are for this thing? Maybe lowering springs?
Future mods, I'd say definitely the lowering springs, and that intake.
Yes, I'll send you the link to that thing. I'm bummed. I want to get an APR Stage 2 tune on my Golf R, but no more downpipes. Yeah. You can tune this car, so if you want to reflash it, which I wouldn't do that because it just makes it slower, but if you want to do like 87 octane, you could do that. Obviously, gas is getting more expensive, so I actually know somebody who did tune their Golf R Turbo GTI to, I think, 87.
Really?
Yeah, it makes like 30, 40 less horsepower, which is stupid, but he was like, I can't afford 93 anymore. Yeah, once you figure out like the paddles too, you can always be in the perfect RPM.
Yeah, I'll have to work on that. I've used them a couple times, but it's never been like my go-to with driving it.
One thing, like even if you're like a little sketched out about like having it redline, bring it to DOS Auto and you can have them reflash it to do the auto upshift. Yeah, that's all about like once you master those paddles, it won't upshift on you, so you can get that perfect crackle. All right, so I'm gonna say I definitely miss this car a lot. I want to thank Rowan for coming out. Guys, I miss this car, and I don't know, maybe someday I'll bring another GTI on the channel because this thing is just an animal. A freaking animal. Would you call it an animal?
I would.
Yeah.
It's a beast.
It is. It is. So awesome. So I think I'm going to end the video there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.